Well, he's really skinny, but he needs help. He's really skinny and he don't have hair. And he's really cold walking in the street. And the dogs are attacking him. The dogs are attacking him, following him. All right, let's get in the car. Good job, Sam. He came to you, Sam. Good job.
Oh my God.
So,
look at his feet. Look at his toes.
hi.
Okay, so he's definitely going to need a medical fundraiser.
I know. Okay. Yeah, he is.
Right.
You can see
I gotta figure out how to get back to my phone now. Hold on.
the fleas
Right, guys.
crawling on
Little kitty
him.
dogs now.
Let's see.
You are, and I know you guys. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I know. I know. You're so tired. You are so sweet. It's okay, puppies. You're just beat up. Gosh, I'm so sorry that this has happened to you. Oh, that's a good boy, Timmy. Yes, that's a good boy. Are you getting some pets and some relaxation in? Yes, that's a good boy. Oh, poor baby. Yes, you're safe now, sweetheart. Timmy has had medication in the system, and I think his redness is going down, and he's starting to feel a little bit more comfortable. How are you feeling today, Timber? Are you feeling a little better? Did you get some rest? Are you feeling better? His eyes look a little less watery. He definitely still will, you know, take time to heal. But he looks a little better, I think, today.